Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about another topic related to COBOL Table, where we will see how we can utilize a search statement along with table creation and why do we need it. Okay, because this is the main thing that we should learn first. Like what is the requirement? Why do we need why do we need search statement along with table? Okay, so to explain all these things, what we will do, like firstly, I'll show you the code with the basic things written in it, which is the program name is TSCB-PGM95, right? So I'll explain you the basic things, and then we will write everything from scratch to explain you each and everything related to the concept where we will utilize search statement with COBOL table. But before we start the session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because these all sessions are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be really very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. But for time being, what I am going to do, I'm going to focus only on the search portion, because prior to this we have already discussed like how to create table and everything related to the table, right? So let's focus on the search operation. So for that, I will take option 2 for TSPGM95 and will take this program in edit mode. Here you can see we have identification division block, and this block is mainly used to store the information related to program identity. So here you can see we have stored program ID denoting program name, which is TSCB-PGM95, author denoting author name, which is Tech Sharmit. Now after this identification division block, we have also stored some comment line, which is mainly used to store the information related, which is used to store the information as a comment. So from line number 5 to line number 7, we have mentioned 3 comment line 5, 6, 7. To initiate any comment line, what you can do, you can place your cursor on the very first position, and from there you can count till 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. On 7th position, when you place asterisk, after that whatever you will write here will be considered as a comment line. Remember one thing, these asterisks are not important, okay? Only the 7th position asterisk is important. After that, whatever you can write, like if you want to write hash, it's okay. If you want to write some text, that is also considered, okay? So it doesn't matter if you are writing further asterisks or not, but 7th position asterisk is very important. After that, you can write anything. So now question is why I am using these asterisks? Just because to show you the topic in a box like structure. So this is the only purpose of mine. Okay, so I just mentioned the topic name, which is table with search statement, and we are ready with it. Now after this, what we are going to do, like we have mentioned the topic name, and now we are going to start the demo by writing the code from scratch. So for that, let me insert few blank lines first. Okay, it is inserted. Now let's write the data division first, because we all know that for creating a table we need data division. So let's write here division data division, and under this data division we will write here working storage section, working hyphen storage section, and under this working storage section we will define the table. So now what we will do, like firstly I will write the entire table declaration part, and then I will explain you one by one. So let me define the table part. So level number is 01 ws table, then we will write next line where level number would be 05 ws of a pic x of 1 occurs 10 times indexed by I. Okay, now after this we will, okay, so let's discuss what we have written here. So data division is mainly used to define all the variables. So whatever variable you are going to utilize throughout your program will be stored under this working storage section, and under this working storage section you can see we are declaring the table as well. So variable, table, or anything which you want to declare use throughout the program will be stored here in, will be declared here in working storage section. So level number is 01 ws table 05, So this level number 01 is denoting the higher data hierarchy, and 05 is denoting the subordinate element. It's a subordinate of first table. Then variable name is WSA. So whenever you want to access this variable, you will use this variable name itself. PIC x of 1, which is alphanumeric 1, occurs 10 times indexed by I. Okay, so this is how we will define everything. Then later on we need one variable with the name search. So let's declare that variable. So level number would be 01 ws search PIC a of 1, value would be f. So we want to search for f. Okay, so we are ready with this. Now it's time to define procedure division to write the main logic. So I'll write here like this: procedure division. Under this procedure division we will write here move, and we'll assign some values. So a b c d e f g h I j k l, or maybe I think it's sufficient till j itself. Okay, fine. Now we will assign this value to ws table, which is a variable. After that we will write here set I to 1. Then we will write here at and display. I'll explain you once it is written. Firstly, I'm just writing the code. So f not found in, or write in table. Okay, then we will insert few more lines because we need more space. Okay, so we just mentioned this thing, at and display f not found in table. After this we will write when ws of a of I equal ws of search display letter f found in table. So I think now it is clear to most of you, because some of you might be knowing the RPGL language, so they can easily relate it with the select when. But no problem, if you don't know about anything, it's okay, I'll explain you. Just 1 minute. Okay, alright, so we have mentioned the procedure division. Now what we did here, firstly we moved some characters to ws table. So you can see here a b c d e f g h I j, we have assigned to this ws table. Then we set the value of I. So set I to 1. So now I is containing 1. You can also give this meaningful name like index. Then we are checking. Okay, I think we missed to write here search part. Let me insert one line here. There should be search ws of a. Yeah, so now it's okay. So search ws of a, or maybe we can do one thing, rr2, we can give it rr2, and here as well, just for the proper indentation, nothing else. Okay, something is wrong. Yeah, all right. So now what we did after set, after set we uh, started search. So search wsa at and display f not found in table. So if f is not present in the table, so in the end what it will do, it will print the message f not found in the table. But when ws of a of I, means it will check one by one for each element, each index. If it equals to ws search, which is f, then it will display letter f found in table and end search. Okay, so this is how it all works. So I hope this part is clear. Now it's time to see the output and compile the result. So let me compile the program. Compiled successfully. Now I'm calling it. So you can see letter f found in table, which is perfect, right? Likewise, if you want to change, let's say if I want to search for z, which is not in this table, so in this case what it will do, it will print the message f not found in the table, which is correct, right? So this is, can utilize search statement with table in order to search a particular character in a file. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.